Hi, I'm Nidhi Nahata and I run India's first whole food plant-based restaurant. What do you mean by whole food plant-based restaurant? That we don't use dairy, we don't use meat, and we don't use oil, butter, ghee, maida, sugar, white salt. Yes, this is how I run the restaurant, and today I'm going to show you how to make dal tadka. Aren't you surprised? ये तड़का और कहाँ से आया जब oil और घी नहीं होगा? Let's get started and be ready for the surprise.
The best thing is that we should actually keep all the ingredients ready. Now this dal is soaked overnight. When we soak the dal overnight, it actually cooks faster. And what does that mean? When it cooks faster, it will digest faster. I'm going to add water, 1.5 cup water, because I'm going to make a little thicker dal. And with this Laung, the clove, which will add a lot of flavor to the dal, some dhania powder, haldi and salt. And I'm not going to overboil it. I'm not going to boil it for 2-3 whistles, just one whistle, because it's soaked overnight. So we just need to put one whistle to it. And let this, can you just see? I'm not using the aluminum cooker. This is the steel cooker because aluminum is not really good when we're making a healthy recipes, when we're trying to work so hard in our kitchen to make healthy food. Here I'm not using the non-stick. Can you just see I've not put a drop of oil, and I'm putting the jeera and the tadka exactly how I would put with oil or in any other vessel. I use the thick bottom steel containers and utensils, which actually doesn't burn my tadka. Put the spices and the chili and the ginger exactly how you do for your regular tadka, and just roast it. Then we can just put a pinch of hing, because in the dal the hing is my favorite and I know that a lot of people love it. And then we're going to put the dal and just saute it. The most important thing is that when we are cooking the dal with the tadka, we need to cook it for at least 20 minutes. Now let's put the chilli powder according to the taste you like. If you like it spicy, you can put it more. I love spicy food, so I put a little more over here. And then the coriander. Coriander is a very good source for a lot of minerals and a lot of protein and antioxidant. Here the dal is ready. I'm going to be serving it with a lot of love. You can have it with rice, you can have it with chapatis, and for more recipes you can subscribe to my channel. And if you love the recipe, do share it with your friends.